very excited for this trip actually because this is going to be my first time flying to Ottawa. It's a good thing that I checked it because when I checked in online, it says it's D70. Going to my gate now. Can't wait to board the plane and be in Ottawa soon. This is my gate. WestJet 612 to Ottawa. We're finally boarding now, guys. And there's a cute dog here. Heading to the plane now. Give me this. Yay! 612 to make her way to Ottawa. So I got myself a window seat because the one in here didn't show up. Welcome to Ottawa. The local time is approximately 23 minutes after midnight. Good morning and welcome to Ottawa. Hey guys, and welcome to Calgary International Airport, and welcome to another trip report. So for today, I'm flying to Ottawa for the first time, and I'm flying with WestJet on their 737-800. I'm very excited for this trip actually because this is going to be my first time flying with this is going to be my first time flying to Ottawa, and my flight is not leaving in 5 hours. I just came here to the airport very early because I wanted to do some plane spotting, and I will be flying out in Terminal D today, and I will be seated at D also. D. No, I will be seated at E20. It's an aisle seat, so I'm not sure how this trip report is going to be, but I'll try to just take a lot of clips even though I am in the aisle seat. I'm actually here in Terminal A, so I need to go to Terminal D because my flight will fly out there. So my flight is that Ottawa WestJet WS612. Oh, they changed it. They changed it to 821 at 6:45. It's a good thing that I checked it because when I checked in online, it says it's D70 from the boarding pass that I got when I checked online. So we really don't need to go to Terminal D, we just have to go to Terminal B because the security check in Terminal A is closed. So there we go, guys. This is how the airport looks like. Probably just go and grab some plastic bag because I have this luggage with me and I just need something to put all the liquids. So these are all the liquids I have, guys. I just need to put it on this bag because that's what they want. And I brought a lot of liquids with me because I will be staying in an Airbnb, not in a hotel. There we go, it's all set. I guess I do need to put the lock for now. For it later. Thank you, security guys. Oh gosh. just passed through security, guys, and now I'm heading to decided to go to Terminal D for now because international flights from Europe are arriving and I wanted to just see it for myself. Other side, guys. WestJet, Air Canada, there's Flair, there's Minsk, Air Canada. Airport situation, guys, in Terminal D.
This is the final boarding call for WestJet Flight 3002 with service to Lethbridge.
Lethbridge. Oh, this one is going to Medicine Hat. And that one was JetLink. It's flying to Lethbridge. Heading to Terminal D and E to do plane spotting for all the international arrival. How much walking, guys? And flight information. My flight is Ottawa. There. They changed it to E21 KLM. This is from Amsterdam. I want to visit Amsterdam one day again. Once probably COVID is done. But yeah, beautiful. Boeing 777-200. So I'm currently here in Terminal D, guys. I just saw the Boeing 777-200 from Amsterdam with KLM, and this is their gate, and that one is going to Cancun, and these are all the passengers going to Amsterdam today. Looks like it's not going to be a full flight, so it's good for them. This is my flight. It's just 1:51 and my flight is at 6:45. I came in early because I wanted to do plane spotting, but before that I'm just gonna show you the details of my flight, guys. So right now it still shows on time, so if you want to see where our plane is, it's 2 hours late. Oh no, if this is going to be delayed, then my flight will be delayed. So my plane is in Abbotsford, BC right now. More crew coming in, guys. Flight to Amsterdam. I'm heading to Terminal E, guys, to see to do some plane spotting because the runway there is really good. You can see a lot of planes going in and going out, so it's going to be amazing. So many aircrafts parked on the gates. This side is the international side. So that plane arriving, guys, is a Boeing 787-900 from Frankfurt, Germany. So this one, the flight from Abbotsford, that aircraft will be the same aircraft I will be flying with today. We check flight radar. The aircraft should be that one. So that's the aircraft, and the registration is CJWSA, and it's arriving soon. We'll try to find out the history of the plane, guys. This is it, guys. That's our aircraft for tonight's flights. It's WestJet Boeing 737-800 with the registration of C-JWSA, and it's a 17-year-old plane, and it was originally delivered to WestJet on June of 2005. Oh, that's it, guys. That's our aircraft for tonight's flight. I said I came into the airport to do some plane spotting, but sadly, guys, I'm too lazy. So I just decided to sit here and check people out. And yeah, I stayed here because the lighting is really cool. The passengers arriving are from the flight from Frankfurt, Germany. That's the plane used. It's a Dreamliner. I haven't been to Germany yet. It's one I mean, it's in my list, so probably in the future. There's a Boeing 787-900 parked here. It is actually beside the Boeing 787-900. Earlier, the one was flying to Frankfurt, and then this one, it's flying to London Heathrow. KLM flight is still there. It's supposed to depart at 3:30, but due to some mechanical issues, they push it back to 4:30, and now I guess it's 5. So this Boeing 787-900 from WestJet arrived from London Heathrow, and tonight it's flying and it's going to Paris. Finally, after the delay for the KLM flight, it's 5 o'clock already. They're pushing back and it's good to go. KLM 678 flying to Amsterdam. This is the first time that I'm seeing this. It has been closed for the longest time. Let me probably check. But I'm heading to my gate now because I'll be boarding in 30 minutes. So, duty free, guys. This is supposed to be a trip report, but it turned out to be a airport tour. Ah, couple of juice there. A lot of chocolates. Wines, alcohol. Of course. So much alcohol. Like literally. Alcohol everywhere. Heading to my gate now. Can't wait to board the plane and be in Ottawa soon. By the way, I'll be arriving like 1 AM, so it's pretty early. There's plane spotting, guys. That one is a Dreamliner and it's flying to Frankfurt tonight. This I don't know. They have this WestJet here and another WestJet there. There's Disneyland Library and more planes there. I'm too lazy to walk now, so I'm here in the local later. But I may need to go to a washroom first because I need to remove my contacts and wear my glasses so that I will be comfortable flying, and I feel like I'm gonna be sleeping during the flight, so yeah, I'll do that. There's more walk because like I'll be in Terminal A. Terminal A is 8 minutes walk from where I am standing right now. There's the Lynx Air there, and there's this 737-800 WestJet park here going to Vancouver today. So many people flying to Vancouver today. So very good. This is my gate. WestJet 612 to Ottawa. Yeah. That's our gate, gate 21, and this is our aircraft. It's a Boeing 737-800. By the way, guys, I've changed into my glasses already because I feel like I'm gonna be sleeping most of the time because I feel so tired. I don't know. I was just so excited probably earlier that I wasn't really able to sleep. And I actually didn't work today because today is my day off. It's my 3rd Friday at work, so it's our day off. So yeah, and I'm not sure what to do now, but we're just gonna wait probably for boarding, and boarding will commence in like 15 minutes. We're finally boarding now, guys, and my boarding pass has changed also the gate. It's very late, but yeah, at least they changed it. This is our gate. This is the only flight going out tonight. And then there's a cute dog. Boarding now, guys. Yay! Oh, that was pretty crazy boarding. It's really not organized, so it's okay. Heading to the plane now. So the people are stuck. That's my C23E. It's on the center. This is my luggage. Oh, I think I lost the thing. I lost the paper already. But there we go, guys. There's no IFE. There we go. It's good. I am not in the window, so too bad. But I'll try to take clips later. I'll ask my seat, maybe he will let me do it.
Make our way to Ottawa.
So I got myself a window seat repairs. Probably
24 minutes, so it should put us at the
the
gate. We're
one
thinking about
in here
12:30 local
so
time.
window seat.
Latest weather, Ottawa, under pretty much clear skies. We start central updating you with the latest weather as well as an estimated temperature for now if there is anything we can do to make.
So nobody came for the cheese yet. So I'll be staying here for tonight's flight. Yay! So finally, I'm still sleeping in the window seat, which is very good. Good morning and welcome to Ottawa. Oh gosh, my ears are still popping. My Airbnb just messaged me and she said they're waiting for me and it's already what time is it? I don't know what time is it, guys, but it's late already. It's morning. I guess it's close to 1. Oh, now I'm trying to book an Uber and I checked the rates already and it's still not too bad. From the airport to my Airbnb it says $28, so it's not bad.